Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about a brand new trade we just got in, a 2018 38 Outrage. Fantastic boat. Let's start with the power. On the back, they got triple 350s on the back. Ton of horsepower for this boat. Gets you up and running. Large live well. Nice fold down seat. If you are fishing, goes away. Dive ladder. Dive door. Great for fishing, bringing the fish in and swimming, getting on and off the boat. You've got a nice kitchen set up here with an electric grill, another second live well, which is a big one as well. And so great setup here. And as we move to the helm, it's set up with twin Raymarines. Beautiful setup here as far as electronics. You do have the joystick, which is fantastic. Takes you sideways, gives you sky hook, keeps you in one spot. Also has an autopilot to it as well. You've got a large cabin down underneath with a full stand-up head down there. So you can sleep, you can have a little lie down, you can entertain down there. Fantastic, plenty of room down there. As we move to the bow, very comfortable lounger setup. So 2 people, 3 people very comfortably up here. Big storage underneath, and it has a sunshade that covers the front. And plenty of the canvas covers all the seats. So all your vinyl, all this stuff, all has covers for it as well. Table goes up and down. It's a fantastic boat. Take you down to the Keys, no problem at all. So my name is Bob Freeman. If you got any questions, please give me a call at 603-213-1194.